board?
Black the first.
The black.
It's all black, sir.
Okay, again I am coming. Now
Black, sir.
black.
Again.
Black board.
Okay, just wait. क्या करे, एक बार ब्लैक आ जाते हैं, एक बार अंदर आ जाते हैं, लाइफ ही खराब है मेरा। अभी
Yes, sir.
now
Okay, sir.
okay, thank you. So today just one problem we are solving, that we would like to solve one gate. Last class I discussed this part, that if this is a AND gate, there is a D flip-flop, then we are considering the output, and that's one in a XOR gate. Sorry. XOR gate, this is the final output. Suppose I have to implement this circuit in an FPGA. Clear? And also our target is that I know the FPGA is nothing but our CLB and switch boxes. That's combination. And CLB and switch boxes are different combinations are producing the slices. So sometimes an FPGA can have 4 slices, 8 slices, like in this different FPGA capability different. So main is the slices where CLB and SB constitute one slices. Slices can be run parallel and multiple program we can implement. It is not that only one function you can implement. When you are implementing it here, you can implement other function also here. Our main target that we have to program this part. Just 1 minute, on call has come. Now our main target that in case of the SB, if I say switch boxes, I told that switch boxes are nothing but a connections of multiple direction connections, I as well told. So each of them has a individual switch. Suppose these are the individual switches presented. If I provide the voltage here, it is connected. So I think it is better we can draw with the help of some good switch diagram. So these are the suppose switches are there. Now when you provide voltage here or here or here, it is connected. So it is that doesn't mean that it is always current should be there. It happened that you are providing voltage here, it can pass to the here. Sorry, input here, it can pass to the here. So it is a multi-dimensional. But in the side layer, if this is the FPGA, when the inputs are coming here, so automatically it is connected with the switches CLBs with this one, and CLBs are connected with the SBA. So my target is that I have to, if I provide one here, then it will be connected. So the information will pass like in this way, or it can pass like in this way, either this direction. If you provide voltage here, information flows like in this way, in the both dimensional, this way or this way. So that's why if I provide 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, all 0, that means all connections are open. So there will be no flow in the circuit, no flow in the switch boxes. Am I correct? So any one of them, when you fix one, accordingly it will happen. Now let's see, we are trying that if this is a one CLB, this is our CLB. So I am writing this is our CLB, and you know this is the fundamental CLB principle. One LU2s are there, and LU2s are connected directly with the D flip flop, or maybe this also directly connected with the marks. Sorry. I reversely I have drawn it. So we'll first make that circuit. Now if this is our LA2, LUTs, there is a deep flip flop, there is a marks, there is a marks, final output, you will get this way. Then the configuration, sorry, this is a single line configuration bit. There should be a configuration bit. Marks will select any one of these with the configuration bit. If it is 0, it will select this line. This is for 0 and this is for 1. Or if you select 1, it will select this line. Am I clear these things? And the D flip flop. Now our criteria that you have to program as per our requirement. This is present inside the CLB. Maybe it is more complicated. Here I have considered only one D flip flop, one mark, one LE2. It can have one CLB can contain more than 2 or 3 also. But actually this is the configuration that the LE2 size and D flip flop will be more. So multiple CLBs can work simultaneously, as we told earlier. Now first my condition is that I have to implement this circuit. I have to implement this circuit. So what I have to do, all of you draw the whatever I have given to you. You draw it with me. Are you drawing it or not? I will ask to show me.
Yes, sir.
Suppose that I have to implement. So what I have considered, I will implement this part in CLB1 or CLB0 suppose, and next I will implement this part in CLB1. If I say CLB0, CLB1. Clear? In between this propagation, I will use switch box 0, and to propagate the function through another CLB3, I will use another store SB1. Is it clear? And suppose I have a 4 CLB, suppose this CLB is like in this way, SB, CLB, SB, CLB, here also SB, here also CLB, SB, and the. So I have a 4 CLB and all are connected, interconnected with the SB. Did you get my point? This is SB. So I have a 4 CLB, 4 CLB in my hand and corresponding circuit diagram. So how does it look? If I make this is a CLB, this is a CLB, this is one CLB, this is one CLB. So CLB0, CLB1, CLB2, CLB2, CLB3. Now there is a SB, there is also S, there is also S, there is also S. So now these are connected with the CLB. SB is also itself connected each other, don't worry. So this is suppose my FPGA. Now these are connected like in this way.
Sir, I had one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, about the switching block, sir. For example, since we are going from CLB 0 to 1 to 2 to 3, sir,
0 to 1, 1 to 3. Yes.
0 to 1, 1 to 2, sorry, my bad. 1 second, let me just. So 0 to 1, then through SB 0, and then 0 to 2 through SB 1, and then to SB 3, sir.
I'm not getting your point. CLB 0 to, if you go CLB 1, suppose you would like to go from 0 to 1.
Yes,
Are you
through
taking this
S0.
point or not?
Yes, through
You
S0, sir.
would like to go 0 to 1. You can use this one. You can use this one. You can use this one. You can use this one.
Sir, actually, my question is, sir, in case of the
आपका
SB0,
फैन का बहुत साउंड आ रहा है आपका. माउथ फिगर को थोड़ा हाथ में लगा के बोलो. आई थिंक देन आई कैन गेट
sir, it's not
क्लियरली
my
योर
fault,
वॉइस.
sir. I think it was coming from someone. Okay, okay, anyway, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir,
माउथ माउथ पीस को थोड़ा नजदीक लाके बोलो. यस.
okay, sir. Sir, if you are going from up to down, sir, using an SB, sir, in that case, will the the encoding will be 0 0 0 0 1 0, right?
Yeah.
And sir, if you are going from like left to
See,
right,
0 0 0 0 1 0, that configuration depend upon that whether it is 1 0 0, that means कौन सा उन लोगों ने पहले लिया. शायद 0 1 होगा 1 0 होगा. हम लोगों ने क्या कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिया? स्टैंडर्ड we will configuration that this first, this, then this, and then we consider this. Okay, you just remember, first we are moving to clock anti-clockwise direction. Okay,
yes, sir.
anti-clockwise, then bit will be connected from like in this way. After that, down, then horizontal. When vertical, I am counting first, then it will be 1. This is the assumption we are taken in the very beginning of the classes.
Yes, sir.
Some LCB SB can take this one earlier than this one. So
Yes.
accordingly, you will program.
So
Okay.
I'm talking about that convention only, sir. First down and then horizontal, sir.
Okay. So your assumption first down, then horizontal. Very good. Okay. Then it is 1 0. If you configure this S0, so signal will come this way. Okay.
And sir, what will be the the encoding for say a horizontal one, sir? Let's say S3 from C1.
S3, C1 to C2. Then you
Yes.
have to write 0 0 0 0 0 1 as per your coding guideline.
Okay, sir.
Got the point?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Actually, I was looking through the recording, sir. I think we had by accident gotten the same encoding for both like horizontal and vertical. So that's why I was confused, sir. I
No,
thought
no, no.
we
It
were.
should not be. Actually, I told that you convention was if you consider the vertical first, then accordingly this bit will be 1 because you are coming initially this way. The convention you mentioned that we go for the first anti-clockwise, then this one we are considering. Okay. Actually, why I am considering this assumption, you just mentioned you started from this location, this. Now you are at this position, then you first finish it, then you go to. So you always remember this thing. Since you are at this position, then consider the vertical first, then you go for the horizontal. Is it clear?
Sir,
And same encoding if I mention in
then
the
from
reading coefficient, that should not happen. Yes, tell me.
sir from so in this convention, if we go from C0 to S2, so for the S0 we can write that as
C02, C2,
0 0
C02,
C0 to S2. I mean S2.
C02,
I mean in a
S2. Yes.
diagonal way.
Diagonal,
Yes,
that
sir.
means you have to
So
go this way or you have to go this way.
okay, sir. So for S0 we can write it as 0 0 0, then 1, then 0 0. Right. For D,
For
I
S1,
mean
which way? This way or
for
this way?
S0. From the
S0.
S0.
From the
Yes,
S0,
sir.
you would have to go S2. Then S0
Yes, sir.
coding will be 0, 0, 0, 1. All 0, 1.
All 0 1s are because
You will come here,
how?
then you will go this way. If you write 1 here, then it will go this
Yes,
way.
sir.
That's why I'm writing last one is 1, then you will go this way. Because your motivation, no, sorry, I did the mistake. You are going
Yes, sir.
like it. It should be 0 0. Sorry,
0 0 0
0
1.
0 0 1 0 0. Yeah, you have to
Yes,
switch
yes,
on this one, so it will automatically go this way.
Yeah, okay,
Got
sir.
the point?
I understand.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
is the diagonal used for, sir?
Which one?
So the diagonal lines are like the first four zeros, sir. If one
See,
of them is active, sir.
actually, this was like in this way. He is coming this way and he has to go this way. Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
That's why 0 0 0 1 and both 0. If you give this one, then it will not. If you give this one, this will go. But our target from S1, S02, the signal coming from upward, I have to drive to there. That's why this signal will be driven, and that's why it should be 1. Clear? Confusion है तो अभी clear करो. लास्ट क्लास में मत बोलना कि सर समझ में नहीं आया, तो बहुत दुख लगता है. बोलो 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 कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है? Any doubts in SB connection? अच्छा मान लो now you people write me the configuration. मैं एक ग्रीन लाइन दिखा देता हूं, ठीक है? जस्ट एसबी का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मुझे बताना. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट और नॉट? मैं जो ग्रीन लाइन दिखाया, मुझे S1, S2 और S4 का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बिट बताओ. S1 का क्या होगा, S2 का क्या होगा, S4 का क्या होगा?
Sir, S1 का configuration होगा since anti-clockwise, sir. So 0, 1, and the rest all of them.
Like in this way.
Yes, sir.
6 बिट होता है ना, तो
Okay.
all of you are agree with this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, S2 का भी same ही होगा. S2
Sir,
का भी
S2
same
का
000100.
00001
0000100.
बोलो ये पे क्या होगा फिर बोलो मुझे.
00100
001 000
Oh, sir.
000
000100.
000 ये नहीं होगा.
हाँ sir.
अच्छा ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
तो 000
और S4 और S1 का तो सेम होगा.
यही है. 000 100.
हाँ.
All of you are agree?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
S2, sir, S2 will be like horizontal itself, so it will be all zeros. Just the last one is 1, sir.
No, S2
No,
तो ऊपर
no,
से
sir.
right जा रहा है.
No, sir. ये तो सर राइट से इस तरह जा रहा है. S1 से S4 जा रहा है.
हाँ, S1 में आया, आपने S1 का तो बना दिया, आ गया. अभी इसको A से ड्राइव करना होगा. Is it? तो आपको तो 0001 आना चाहिए. 0001 है,
अच्छा.
बाकी 0 तो ये चला जाएंगे इस तरफ से. ये नहीं मोस्ट सोचना कि ऐसा आके ऐसे जाता है. नो, इट इज डायगोनली पास होगा. और ये अगर होगा तो स्ट्रेट जाता है. डिड यू गेट माय पॉइंट? इन योर माइंड आई थिंक यू पीपल आर थिंकिंग लाइक इन दिस, ये आके ऐसे जाता है. नो, अगर जाना है इस साइड में तो ही थ्रो दिस डायगोनल फील्ड, इट विल गो, नॉट इन वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल. इज इट क्लियर? तो S4 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बताओ. S4
Sir, S4
0
and
1
S1 same.
0 1.
is it? Is it?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. S1 and S4 का same होगा sir.
0 1 0, sir.
Which one? This or this one?
So the last one. 01000.
Below, sir. Last one.
Idea clear? Any doubts of the any student of the classes, please raise your voice. Any student of this class have any doubt, please raise your voice. Otherwise, I will ask randomly to write the configuration bit during implementation of the output. Is it clear or not clear? I think it is now clear. Okay. So now we are moving for the circuit. What is our circuit? A, B, C, suppose the D flip-flop. So this is our circuit, and I told that I will implement this into CLB1, and finally this into CLB2. Suppose CLB0, CLB1, and final outcome from CLB2, 3, CLB3. And I told that this is my circuit, the C0, C1. So this is the first function, this is for second function, and third outcome will be come from C3. So C2 can be anything, does not have any problem. And switch box should be properly, does not have anything. Switch box cannot be, does not have anything, because this is very important part, otherwise it will propagate the signal. Now in this point, first one is the output of AND gate, A, B, AND gate. So you can write like in this way. What is the output? This is the output. Am I correct or wrong?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
LOT of the CLB, LOT will be nothing but that combination 0, 0, 0, 1, that is LOT. This will be connected to the D flip-flop, and D flip-flop output connected to the mux. And I will configure always 1 to get the D flip-flop output, because we are getting the output from D flip-flop. This is clear? This is clear or not clear?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the CLB0's input? CLB0 input will be the LOT is what? 1 is the LOT,
0011.
1 1.
Sir,
Very
last
good.
one.
Now it is a CLB0. So this is the functionality for this one is implemented. Now this output is propagated with the switch box. What is our switch box
S1.
number? S0.
S1.
S0.
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 It is S0. Okay, first S0, S1, S2, S3, S4. And our target is S0 and S3. Others should be all 0. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you go CLB1. What is the CLB1? CLB1, the XOR gate. And what is the XOR gate? Again, output of the previous one with the C. So take this is the possible combination again. Then output will be this. So CLB will be, tell me CLB
0 1 1
Zero
0
one
0,
one
1, 1,
0
zero
1 1 0
1.
and
0.
0.
1
0. 1.
1 or 0,
0
0.
sir 0
zero
because it is a combinational output.
0, sir.
combination
0.
Correct. So it is
Combinational.
okay. So this is a CLB1. Now to pass this output, this one, I have switch box 0. Then what will the switch box configuration? Because it will directly
0, 0,
pass
0.
0
Yes.
0 0 0.
1 0
1, 0.
Is it clear? Clear. Now
Yes. Yes.
SB. Now next is SB. What? SB3. SB3 will horizontal. Na? Is it clear? So
yes sir
SB3 configuration will be. Tell me what?
0,
0
0,
0
0,
0
0,
0
0.
0.
In last one.
Last one. Very good. SB3. Now CLB4. CLB4. That means I am telling CLB3. Na? Sorry. From CLB3 I have to get. I would like to get the output. Suppose. So it is CLB3. Can you tell me the configuration CLB3, because no logic is left?
And
No
there will be an AND gate. 0,
And
0,
AND
0.
gate,
gate.
because if I implement this circuit 1, so what will the output? What will the output that will be given here?
Output
What will
only.
the output will given? If I take is a OR, there is a problem, Because if I put here 1, anything can be there, but output will be always 1. So I can't take OR. Am I getting? You can take OR, then you have to put what here? 0. Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
If you have to put 0, then whatever the output that will be given here. In case of AND, you have to put 1. So be careful. Either you take AND or GATE. Anything you can take, but the bit B should be very important. Clear? So better we are taking this input. That means 1 I can directly drive. So what will be the AND gate behavior? This is the AND gate behavior. If I implement the OR gate, suppose, then what will be the behavior of this CLB3? Now tell me the CLB3's output.
0 0 0 1 0.
Aditya?
Sir, 0001 and last 0 for AND gate.
0001.
Last 0, sir, because combination circuit.
It is 6 bit, it is a 5 bit only. Okay, now it is not SB, it is thick. Okay, 5 bit. Avantika,
Yes, sir.
is it correct? CLB3 configuration?
So I was just seeing that just it should be AND gate. So 0 0 0 1.
क्लास में अगर क्लास करने
Sir,
का मूड
yes,
नहीं है
it's
तो
correct.
बाहर निकल जाओ ना.
No, sir, it's correct because
देर
it
क्यों लगा
feels.
तो नहीं देर
Sir,
क्यों
I
लगा
was
तो.
just checking it again. I was just rechecking if the AND gate
When I am
configuration.
writing, you are not checking.
No, sir, I have checking. I have written down it all, but I was just like because you asked, I was just being
See, one
reconfirming
thing
myself.
मेरे ख्याल से एक याद रखना, गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज हैव सम इक्वल टैलेंट. मैं हमेशा बिलीव करता हूँ इस बात पे. तो जब भी मैं लिखता हूँ, तुम फुल कंसंट्रेशन रखो कि इसको फिर से क्रॉस चेक क्यों. साल लिख रहे हैं ना, फुल कंसंट्रेशन दो. When I cross check, you'll understand. Yes, sir, getting. Don't show your weakness that you have to check it again. That means you have not earlier given the full concentration. Now you have to check and then tell.
Sir,
Okay, I understood your checking. Bornali,
sir, one question, sir.
I will come to your question. You just keep your question. Avantika, tell me, if I implement it in the OR gate, then what will the combination? I would like to get
Sir,
the output
if
in the
OR
OR
gate,
gate.
then zero. Then the input will be 0. So 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 and then again 0.
Very good. Is it correct? Bornali?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. Now tell me, what is your question, Prajotar? Who is asking the question? The boy one. Bolo.
Sir, CLB theta array can you explain, sir? Didn't
Okay.
understand CLB
Okay.
part.
Okay.
I
Okay. I understand.
understood that we are using and one, sir, so that the output is preserved when we are getting the output, and we cannot use or, sir. But
No, we can use OR also. Who told you I can't use OR?
we can use or with 0, sir. We can use
All
or
with
with
0. See, after there is no logic. Is it clear? My
Yes, sir.
target that I have to propagate the logic to the output.
Yes,
Because
sir.
see, after this in the CLB C1, I have implemented this both. So my functionality is already implemented with these two CLB. Is it clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
but my requirement that I have to get the output from here, and there is no logic. Only this CLB will drive the output. If I am not trying to get it from here, suppose I am not getting from here, I will have to get it from here. It can happen. So that
Yes.
time you can ask me, sir, there is no logic left to implement. That's why I'm telling. Since the purpose is that whatever is coming from the CLB2, that is coming from CLB on output. Now in CLB3, what happened that you have to apply a logic which will drive the output. Just whatever it is x will be driven there. It is possible if I take a AND gate, then I have to give 1, because if I put here AND gate 1, if it is 0, it will be 0. If it is 1, if it is 1. Is it clear? So output will
Yes.
be driven directly. If I implement with the OR gate, then I have to put here 0, because
Yes, sir.
it is 0, then whatever the output, it is 1, then it is 1, it is 0, then it is 0. So that's why I'm telling in the OR gate, you have to implement the OR gate lookup table. That is the OR gate lookup table.
Yes, sir.
That time it will be like in this way, and this is the lookup table for AND gate. That's why all 0 1, and finally this for direct output to the combinational. That's a 0 marks configuration 0. So this is the entire program. Now tell me, where is your question?
Sir, I got it, sir. Now. So actually, I was having a problem with understanding the the encoding for CLV3, sir.
Okay, because CLB3 does not have any logic, because all the circuit already, the entire circuit, this circuit already I have implemented. This is
Yes.
implemented. Now my CLB's three purpose is that to drive the output to the only outside the external system. So since it will drive the output to the external system, does not require any additional inputs or outputs. So just I have to configure the, with the help of AND or gate, I have to implement. Okay. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Any question? बोलो किसका क्वेश्चन है? Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Any Bonali?
Yes, sir.
कोई क्वेश्चन है क्या? Any question?
So currently don't.
Currently don't, और फ्यूचर में may come. तुम लोग मुझे अच्छा टीचर बनने ही नहीं देते हो. सारा अच्छा नहीं पढ़ाते क्या? बोलो कहाँ पे दुश्मनी है तुम्हारा मेरे साथ? कौन सा पार्ट प्रणाली समझ में नहीं आया? प्रणाली
Yes, sir.
अभी तक जितना दिया समझ में आया? कैन यू कॉन्फ़िगर दैट मींस द सर्किट, द एसबी एंड सीएलबी?
So can you just repeat that CLB1 configuration again?
CLB1 configuration. Okay.
So your screen it's not visible.
Screen not visible?
No, sir.
So the whiteboard is not. Yes, now it's visible.
Yes, and now it's visible.
No, I have minimized it, but I am going to CLB. You are asking about me about this one, no? CLB one or
CLB1.
CLB1. Okay, okay, okay. So CLB1 output is that I am telling that CLB1 is fully relies on the output of this circuit and input from the additional that we will implement. Okay, it is a XOR gate. So what is the XOR gate combination? True or false?
Okay,
This
got
is
it.
the
So it's coming from Zorg.
CLB1 output, and it is the input number 3, that is C. No problem. So anything it is 0 or 1 combination will happen. So this combination and the output of the C, input of the C, I have to make the XOR of these two. So that's why this will be my configuration bit of the CLB to C 00010, and this for multiplexer, because directly we are getting the output instead of storing like previous one. Clear?
Yes, sir, got it. Thank you.
Anyone? Anyone have any questions? आप लोग नहीं पूछेंगे तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेंगे? Abdul, any question?
No, sir.
Bonala Reddy. Bonala Reddy. भगवान जाने. ऋषिकेश. ऋषिकेश. मैं किसी को पढ़ाता हूँ या नहीं पढ़ाता हूँ? निखिल.
Yes, sir.
कोई क्वेश्चन है तुम्हारा?
No, sir.
Receive properly all these things.
Yes, sir.
Today you will get some question for assignment to solve the CLB SLB. So today's question के लिए ये याद रखना कि आपका CLB ऐसा होगा. Take assumption that our CLB is like in this way. How many CLB is there? CLB 0,
SB, CLB1, SB0, then
ये
1
तुम लोगों का
SB.
असाइनमेंट का सॉल्यूशन का क्वेश्चन होगा।
तो समझा नहीं, ये असाइनमेंट होगा?
Assignment will come soon. Just
Okay.
consider this is the CLB. Okay. Output you have to receive. Output will comes out. Will come out. Sorry. Will come out from C3. Clear? I can tell for fast logic. For fast logic, use C0 and C1. For second logic, क्वेश्चन लिख ले रहे हो तुम लोग? मैंने क्या लिखा बोलो तो? Can you explain? I will give three function, three circuit, एक ही सर्किट देंगे, ठीक है? एक सिंगल सर्किट देंगे। क्या देंगे? सिंगल एक सर्किट देंगे। उसी सर्किट को पहले इंप्लीमेंट करो C0 और C1 को लेके, ठीक है? ये दोनों को लेके इंप्लीमेंट करना होगा। बट माय फाइनल आउटपुट विल ऑलवेज कम फ्रॉम व्हिच वन? C3। मैं C3 से फाइनल आउटपुट लूंगा। क्वेश्चन क्लियर?
Yes.
Final output will always come from C3. Okay. So I have given C0, C1 for first logic you utilize. For second logic you implement C0 and C2. And third logic you implement C0, C1, C2, C3. चारों को सब CLB को लगाओ। मतलब थर्ड लॉजिक मतलब थर्ड सर्किट। एक ही फंक्शन के लिए तीन तरीके से इंप्लीमेंट करके मुझे दिखाना होगा। ओके? फास्ट मैंने इंप्लीमेंट करके दे दिया। फास्ट आई हैव सॉल्व। ट्रू और फॉल्स?
So this is that same circuit which we did in this class. Okay.
Yeah, same circuit. Okay, no, sorry, I am giving new circuit. Don't worry. So question now I am giving you. Clear? That is the question. ये जोर गेट है, ये और गेट है, ये एन गेट है। Is it clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
और सॉरी यहाँ पे एक इन्वर्टर है। Now this is your circuit. 4 CLB और जो SB का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन स्टैंडर्ड है इसी से इंप्लीमेंट करके सबमिट इन द व्हाट्सएप टुडे। एक व्हाइट पेज में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को पहले लिखो, LUTs बनाओ, पहले LUTs का आर्किटेक्चर करके करके फर्स्ट वन सॉल्व करो, इसके बाद सेकंड के लिए सेकंड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन और थर्ड क्वेश्चन थर्ड। मुझे आज ही चाहिए, कॉपी पर मत मारो। अगर किसी के साथ किसी का मिल भी जाता है ना तो एक जो पहले सबमिट करेंगे उसको मार्क दिया जाएंगे, बाकी सब जीरो।
सर कल सुबह तक का टाइम दीजिए ना सर।
कल सुबह तक क्यों? आज क्या कुछ कारगिल वार है क्या?
नहीं सर, सर बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स का भी थोड़ा है
प्रैक्टिकल
सर, बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स का भी थोड़ा है मतलब।
हाँ तो पढ़ाई करो, कौन मना कर रहे हैं? ऐसे भी तो तुम लोग सो के पढ़ाई करते हो, क्लास में तो 90% कोई रहता ही नहीं। तो इसका मतलब है बहुत रिलैक्स है आप लोगों का लाइफ है। अटेंडेंस देना सब रिलैक्स है। नहीं वो सब मुझे नहीं मालूम है, आप लोगों को रिलैक्सेशन नहीं मिलेंगे क्लास में। अटेंडेंस देने के चक्कर में सब प्लांग क्या बोलते प्रॉक्सी मारते रहते हो, तो भी मैं भी प्रॉक्सी नहीं मारूंगा। ठीक है, तुम लोग एक काम करो, आज सुबह ही दे दो। आज कितने 11 बज गया है, लंच के बाद पढ़ो शाम को 5 बजे। ठीक है, तो 5-6 बजे के बाद तुम लोगों तक खत्म हो जाएंगे, 1 घंटा लगेंगे इसके बाद। तो 7 बजे के अंदर मारो, मैं मॉड्यूल में एक लिंक दूंगा, उसी में अपलोड करना 7 बजे। ये स्पेशल असाइनमेंट है, मॉड्यूल में आज ही लिंक कर दूंगा। 7 बजे ओपन होगा, 7:30 में क्लोज हो जाएंगे। तो आप इससे पहले जैसे जैसे करो। 7 to 7:30 link will be active and you have to submit it within the 7 to 7:30. After no, I will not accept. Marks allotted for this is 10. Okay, so you people can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.